Oh, isn't that nice?
You can wear that to church in the summer.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
What do you say to Grandma?
Thank you.
Think Grandpa Ralph picked that up for you? He loves ballet, doesn't he?
Yeah, did he pick it out?
Yeah.
Did he pick it out? No.
I don't know. You'll have to ask him.
Well, why don't you find out what's in the next present?
That's how it was. Ow. Ow.
You're being silly. Say hi, Grandma Grail.
Just rip the
Grandpa
paper,
Ralph.
Gabby. Just...
Say hi.
Hi, Logan.
You're on film.
Let's go.
Oh my!
Wow.
He's not gonna go away.
Mom will tie
Yeah.
the ribbon every time.
Is that pretty? Oh, and you got a star hanging from your belt loop?
Where?
What's that say?
Zana de jeans.
Woo woo.
One of the jeans.
Wow, what comes with your
French.
Xanadu jeans?
Tutu.
Oh, a tutu. I think that on backwards there.
Oh. Oh.
Cute, cute.
Well,
Yeah, be careful there, chica. Pretty.
I think that goes with that one.
Yeah, I think so.
Goes with the skirt.
Good.
Okay, what do you say, Grandma Gail?
Thank you.
Okay.